Hello and welcome. This is Wendy and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I have a great project for you today, but you're going to have patience if you're going to watch this video. It is long, my daughter helps me make it, and it is recorded in real life. That means it's not voiceovered, except for this little part here at the beginning. I found a video from 2012 that was super adorable of my 3-year-old making a little project with me. The video was young. The video was rough. The video was me in the beginning of my Stampin' Up! Career. And so I thought it would be fun to reshoot a video with my 10-year-old now and have her make a project with me so that we could show you a stepped up version of that project from so many years ago. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you don't want to hear dogs barking, my husband showing up, and pure chaos, I recommend that you just go over to my blog at loveandstampin.com and read the instructions on how to make this cute bag. Otherwise, please enjoy being in my household live. Okay, tell them what size paper you're starting out with.
We're starting with 12 by 12 cardstock.
Yeah.
And we're gonna score at 2 inches, 5.5 inches, 7.5 inches, and 11 inches.
Okay, go ahead and do that. We've already scored at the 2-inch.
Right there.
Mm-hmm. Who do you think you would give this bag to? Square while you talk.
I would probably give it to Aunt Laura.
How did she earn a Valentine bag from you?
I don't know. Because I love her.
Because you love her. She is a pretty lovable lady.
11 inches. Do I move this?
You don't have to move it if you can just see where to line it up.
Wait.
I just didn't have enough
Right here?
No, over
Here.
one more, yep. I just didn't have enough of the little markers. Does that make it too dark? Did I turn not? Okay, and then we're going to turn the cardstock 90 degrees and score it at what?
The same thing?
No.
Oh, 2 inches.
Yeah. And that'll make the bottom of our bag. What are you going to put inside this to give to Aunt Laura?
Chocolate and candies.
Does Aunt Laura like chocolate?
I think so.
Nope. Aunt Laura doesn't like chocolate.
Really?
No. Or peanut butter. Okay, now we're going to use this stamp set. Can you tell them the name of it?
Meant to be.
Yep. And I've got 3 colors right there for us to stamp random patterns on. So we've got powder pink,
Like this one.
berry burst, and blushing bride. We're going to use all 3. Which one do you want to use first?
This one. Can I do it?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Do we mix the colors?
No.
Yeah, you remember that. Always. What's your favorite thing about making projects like this? All that time. We weren't even videotaping. We didn't know it. Oh well.
We can still let's finish this one.
Yeah, we'll finish this.
And then we can do another one.
No, we don't have to do another one. We can just finish this off. It's alright. Stop it, buddy. So while we weren't recording, even though we thought we were, I was telling Macy that on her video when she was 3, Buddy barks, and he's barking now in our video. So not much has changed.
Except that I'm 10 years old.
Yeah. Okay, let's fold this bag. And put it, oh my Goodness gracious almighty. Normally, I voice over my videos so you guys don't hear all the craziness. Okay, so now you have to fold on all the score lines.
Okay.
You gotta do it in the camera though, so they can see you. And I'm gonna go deal with the dogs.
Mom, do I do it? Can I just
fold on all the score lines?
Okay.
And now Daddy's home. So there's that.
So now we have a zoo.
Oh yeah, our life is chaos.
We have a zoo now. Daddy's home.
Yep, fold on that one. Good job. Now fold on the bottom one. Okay, then we're going to trim in on all these score lines here on the bottom, except this one we're going to cut off. So I'll just cut this one off for you. Okay. And then you can trim in on the rest of them. Okay, go ahead and trim in on the rest of the score lines
so
there.
Do I just go like straight up all the way to the top? Hi, Daddy.
Hi, little family.
Hi. You're being recorded. Do it under the video, baby.
Sorry.
So they can see. There you go. Remember not to trim in past that bottom line. You guys are getting the full experience of being in my household in the evening. The dogs, the husband coming home, the whole 9 yards. It's fantastic. Okay. I guess the alternative is the husband couldn't come home. That would be bad.
That would be sad.
It would be.
Daddy's not coming home for 2 weeks. But
you don't tell people that kind of stuff. We don't want people to know when Dad wouldn't be home. That could be dangerous.
Oh.
Right? If they knew Daddy wasn't home. Okay.
I know how to do this.
This one, I'm going to add the adhesive here. Okay, and then you remove the adhesive here, or the backing, I should say.
Yeah.
Do you want me to start it? Oh, you got it. There's one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's super sticky.
I know.
Okay.
No, Mom.
I know, but we do that last. So first you're going to put this part together. Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
You can do it.
Okay. Alright. There's that. And then the bottom part, we're going to fold the two sides in, fold this down, and then this piece.
I want to put the rest.
Okay. You got to make sure you're doing it in the camera though. Otherwise they're watching nothing. That's not fun.
Today we played kickball at school.
You did?
Yeah, and we won.
That's cool. What else did you do at school today?
We found out that we're gonna build a bridge next week, like a prototype.
That's cool. Is that for science?
Yeah.
And this one goes down.
No.
Yep. the last step is,
Open.
yeah.
At the top.
Oh, the punch is over there. Yep. So first you've got to squeeze it together in the middle like this. And pinch it together. And then you can punch the holes. No, this is the punch.
Oh.
This part. No, turn it over.
Why is it so weak?
Now punch. Good job. And then let's do an, I'll put it in there if you just hold it still. Okay, punch. Good job. That leaves a place to put the ribbon. And then you can put all your candies and treats in here, whatever you want to put in, and tie your ribbon, and you're done.
Okay.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Well, there it was, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. I know it was really long. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you. You can watch other videos from me or shop in my store at shoploveandstampin.com. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by just clicking on the circle with my face. Bye.